Hey guys, welcome back to another RJ game. We're gonna play some Minecraft on the Xbox.
Cliff diving now. This is the highest point of the
Where did you
Minecraft.
go?
This is the Minecraft split screen Xbox 360.
I'm on the right just in case.
I'm on the left.
Our other partner that does the PC version is not with us right now. But and here's a view of what we're gonna be jumping off.
Did I jump?
No, I did. Hold on. Let me get back up to you. Never mind. Just jump. I'll show you.
YOLO.
YOLO. Alright. Oh, I'm right behind you. There's that lava. It spawned me right in that lava before we started recording. Are you full on life? I mean on health?
Yep.
You wanna climb that?
Yes.
Over here. Over here. Turn. You see me?
Yeah.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
This one. Because then we can just jump right into the water. Oops, my bad. I meant to press the other way. Hit me off. Ah! I'm still alive.
Man, I died.
You died?
Yeah.
Are you by the lava?
Yep.
Alright, so you know where I am. Holy heck, there's a creeper
Where?
over there. And he's a very big creeper. And there's an Enderman. I'm pretty sure it's not you.
My skin looks like an enemy.
That's why I said that. Holy crap, there's a lot of mobs. And to you who have never seen a zombie or an Enderman, I will show you today. Oh crap, there's a zombie and a creeper. Oh, talk. You can talk.
Here's my other cliff dive.
Oh, come on. Hit me off, Sam.
Yo, I just did 360.
Come on, hit me off. 360.
Lava diving.
Woo! How did I get some grass? I mean, dirt. I got dirt. Here's some tips. Stay away from these zombies. Oh my god, this one's running. This zombie's running. And here's a squid. You can hit them.
Another cliff diving session.
Woo! Why do you keep on missing?
I do not know. Yo, Russell, you know why really I'm so skinny? See?
Go to the beach.
What did you say? Yo, I know why. I'm telling my mom. Tell her mom.
Are you serious?
Oh,
It really does.
yeah.
Go to the beach, yo.
They were talking about like marijuana, so I wouldn't be like, yeah, I can't go there.
Crap, spider. Spider.
la anguila. Se mueve la anguila.
I found a village.
Where are you?
Go to the beach on your map.
I don't have a map.
We'll find the beach. Holy heck! Looks like some Enderman's been doing this. No, that's not an Enderman. You know what that is?
Creeper.
Huh?
Creeper.
No. It's Herobrine. No, Brian? Yes.
Some Herobrine.
Herobrine, whatever people want to call it. You gotta have something come in? Thank you. Sorry. Oh my god, I found so many helmets.
Leave some for me.
Is this what I think this is?
Yo, I'm on my way.
You see it? Alright, I'll grab you some stuff. There's apples and bread and everything.
It's like The Walking Dead.
I don't think that's it. Oh yeah, it is, because there's that spider.
No, I'm in the hood. Where are you at?
Wrong place. Yeah, I'm dead serious. Herobrine's been here. Beat him up!
I'm gonna win.
Leave me alone!
Yo, kill yourself.
No. Alright, you know where that hill was?
The big one?
That we jumped off of?
Oh no, this kid didn't die.
No, because I got all this good stuff.
We put it in the trash. And the thing. Commit suicide.
I am. Oh my god, there's so much good stuff. Come here, zombies. Zombros. Oh, what's killing me? What's killing me? Oh, you. Want some? Of course they wanted some. Alright, go back to the lava. Kill yourself. Unless you know where the lava is.
Let me kill myself.
Oh no, I see you. Go back up.
She let me die.
I see you. I'm right behind you. Come. Oh, come on. Alright, follow me.
Creeper.
I'll take you to the village.
Creeper alert. Creeper alert.
Creature alert. Creature alert.
Yeah, I didn't miss this time.
I just used my chin to do that. Oh, snap, I forgot we were recording. So, hello, guys. I really did forget we were recording. Hurry up, Slowpoke. Ah!
Where? What?
Creeper!
Where?
Creeper!
Get in the water, son.
You're good. It blew up.
Did it blow up the skeleton too?
Yeah. Alright, it's becoming day.
Oh, Russell, slow down.
Alright.
Who made your YouTube channel?
Huh?
Who made your YouTube channel?
Me? It's easy. I'll show you how.
I already made one.
What did you put on?
I don't know, I forgot.
Why are you so slow? You might want to jump. Joe, you always miss.
No, where's the villager?
Follow me.
Don't see it freaking 50 miles.
I know.
Creeper.
Don't care. Oh no, actually I do. Let's go kill it.
Gun pod.
Yeah. And then sand. Oh.
Really? Get away! Dumbo.
Just don't let it blow up. Come here, creepy. Come here, you stalker. Back up, back up.
Let's go.
Get the dirt.
You know how to
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh. Woo! Don't miss.
Where'd you go?
I'm down in a cliff. There's some wool.
I missed. Yo, chill.
Alright, I'll slow down. Too fast. Get some sand. You get the sand, I'll wait for you. Get like 10 pieces. Oops.
Let's go.
You got 10 pieces?
Yeah.
Here, here.
Go.
I have 12.
Let's go.
This is actually kind of fun. I've never recorded this long. I think we might have to cut. Oh! Whoa!
Wanna go down here?
Yeah, drop some sand. Let me get some dirt.
I only got 2 pieces.
I'll get some wool. Wood.
I fell in there.
Alright, you're fine. Just, yeah, you just sand.
You get there.
Collect wood. I'll keep the wood. Just go around, find.
Are we the village?
I don't know. We might have to find
Enderman.
where. It's alright, just don't look him in his eyes. I just looked him in his eyes.
Where are you?
I'm right up here. I need food. We both need food.